I just thought I would let you see what it is I'm working on at the minute. Cleaning, I've started to tackle the shower, toilet, one of those in shower toilet areas. And I'll try and line it up for you. I'm just taking off the old mouldy silicone. It's stinky and disgusting. But I've taken, ugh, can't even touch it. Oh, doesn't look that bad. Oh yes, it does. Taking a bit off. I'll show you what's left if I can. I've got to get this all off. And there's a really disgusting, oh, can you see it? The disgusting section there. No, the whole thing is disgusting, really. But beggars can't be choosers. And I'm starting to think it might have just been easier to gut it and start from scratch. But no, it'll be good. I'll get her up and running, I think. Alright, so here's the before video of the shower. Got some holes that have been patched up over there by someone. And I've got holes here. I will be replacing this stuff. I've got to take all that off today. Got some patches. And I've got the seam at the bottom. Where is it? There, the seam from where the top joins the bottom. So I'm going to patch over and fill, because when we pull it out it's going to get smashed, so I don't need to worry about being able to separate. And then I've got those gaps behind the basin. I'm going to fill all with fiberglass. And there's the manky toilet. That'll all be scrubbed and cleaned. It is already cleaned, believe it or not. It's been cleaned 3 times. But sanded, scrubbed, cleaned, and then spray painted. And eventually I will replace that scabby looking air vent with one that has the fan in it. That'll make life nicer. So I'm going to paint it nice bright white in there. And hopefully it'll make life make it feel nicer in there. Okay. Have to it. Okay. Oh. Hooey, that, oh my god, stinks. I'm getting out of here for a bit. This is so much messier than I thought it was going to be. And quite tricky in there. So we'll see. I've patched all the little holes from the ceiling down. Now I'm trying to do the join and did the roller. So it says you layer a layer of the resin on, then you put the fibre on, and then you dab on another layer of resin, feather it out, and then you're supposed to roll it with a little roller to get the bubbles out. But all it did was like just peel the fiberglass up. So then I've had to do a mad recovery dash with more resin and dabbing it on, so that little section, which thankfully is the bit behind the toilet that you'll never see anyway. Always start in places that won't be seen later. Big tip number 1 for fiberglassing. You won't see it, but it's going to be like mega heavy sanding on that area to get it smooth before I paint. But that's alright. All a learning curve, all part of the process. So I'm getting out of here before I get high. Alright, too late I think. I've had a respirator on, but